friends, it's Running Kimono, and if you are out and about over at Walgreens and you can just walk through the aisle where they have the detergent, the air care, and candles, lot of the complete home candles, and these are smaller ones, they're about 7 ounces. They are 90% off. So last March we saw them at 50% off, or this weird 40% off. And that's just a little bit too much for a Walgreens brand candle, and they are so stinking cute. They had blueberry muffin, and they also have cinnamon roll, pecan pie, just a whole bunch of baking notes. And if you really like that sort of a thing, like, you're obviously going to want to look for these candles. But they are so cute, just the packaging. 10 out of 10. It just looked really classy, like this faux brush nickel top, and just the design, the blueberry muffin, cinnamon roll, they had pecan pie as well. And so they were $10, and then they down to like a goofy 40% last March. And then I think yesterday or the day before that, it hit 90, which is crazy. So you'll find this in the laundry aisle, where they have the Febreze, that sort of stuff. And this is kind of on a lower shelf, the candles. So the Complete Home, or CH, is the Walgreens brand. So they had like blackberry one too, and just like everything to do with like baking and, you know, the stuff that we like for fall. That's where I found them. Unfortunately, here's a great story for some of you. I couldn't find a single. I found one in the store, but I just left it there. It just didn't really capture my imagination. And a lot of these candles are also soy blend too, so that's why they're a little bit more. But the ones that I wanted, like blueberry muffin or the cinnamon roll, they didn't have any of that. So I saw this one and I passed it up. And a lot of them have like inspirational quotes on this. It's "You got this." I think that's really nice. And it's a little soy candle, 10 ounces. This one is supposed to have a lid, but the lid was mysteriously gone. So I just did not even want to bring it home. I love candles with lids. So I couldn't find it. So I just left it at the store, and it was $1. So it was like almost 10 down to $1, which is a really crazy price point. So I'm not sure if the staff went crazy with the candles or somebody went crazy with the candles. It was not this girl, but whoever scored all the candles, you know, congratulations. And as you could see, this is the candle I was just showing you. It just didn't have a top for it, so I just didn't buy it, because if it had a top, I would have bought it. I just like to contain the scent, you know, so it's one thing, but I don't know, I just left it. There was also these ones, which are 4.5 ounces, so a little smaller, and they were like kind of in a box with a bow on it. So this one's It's Your Day. So it's Patriot, which is also a Walgreens brand. So it's 4.5 ounce. They were $7.99 down to 80 cents. So again, that's 90% off. I think one of them's even like a happy birthday one. I would go sooner than later, because I mean, if most of us would walk by a shelf with a whole bunch of candles at 90% off, I think most of us would probably buy all of them. This one's It's Your Day. You know, just little things like "You got this," "It's your day," and then the awesome baking candle. So if you score this, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about it. And a lot of rumors going on social media right now for Bath and Body Works. They have their semi-annual sale, and apparently there's some crazy rumor that most of the candles that are part of this will be $11.95 starting tomorrow. It's going to be Friday and Saturday, but it's supposed to be online later today or first thing tomorrow. I just heard something about that, but I'm not really sure. So we'll have to wait and see. I'm hoping it's all the candles, because there's a couple I want to buy. I really want to get that cereal, cartoons and cereal, because it's such a great one, the 3-wick of that. So we'll just have to wait and see. But those are the grumblings that I heard. So it would be really nice to get a candle for $11.95, because that's, I think, almost very comparable to Candle Day prices. So either way, go to Walgreens if you're candle obsessed like myself, or wait for the news. Tentatively, there might be a really big candle sale this weekend over at Bath and Body Works. Wouldn't that be nice? And that's still tentative. It's not confirmed yet, but maybe there'll be an email released later this evening with some information on that, and that would make me really, really happy. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.